Hey guys, welcome back to day 7 of 30 Days of Magic. Today we are making some dry shampoo. Excuse me if you could hear my baby in the back. He usually is sleeping right now, but he had a late nap. So anyhow, you're going to need some arrowroot powder, some baking soda, some cocoa powder, and 3 different types of essential oil: lavender, tea tree, and peppermint oil. So you're going to start off with cocoa powder. You're going to do 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is for dark hair. Now I just lumped both of these into the same video because they're super duper easy and it's literally basically the same thing. So you're going to start, for dark hair, you're going to start with 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You're also going to do 3 tablespoons, I believe. I don't know. You have to count them. 3 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. The arrowroot powder you can get from the health food store. It's very inexpensive. So what did I do? 3 of those? Yeah, I just did 3 of those. And then you're going to do 5 drops of each essential oil and you're going to mix it up. So you're going to do 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops of tea tree, and 5 drops of peppermint oil. And you're going to mix it up. That's literally it. Like, that is the recipe. The reason that I even looked into this is because I'm locking my hair and, you can't wash your hair for a couple of months when you first start locks, and so I was looking for a way for my scalp to not get so greasy, but not actually put water on my hair and wash my hair. So that's why I even started looking into this. And I obviously have dark hair, so I had to find a recipe for dark hair. Now this, what I end up doing is putting it in a little mason jar, and then I had my husband poke holes in the top of the mason jar. He's so sweet for doing that for me. I'll show you guys that at the end. But all I'm doing here is mixing it up with a throwaway knife, and then I'm capping it off and giving it to my husband so he can go ahead and put them holes in the top of it. This next version is arrowroot powder. This is for lighter hair. So if you're blonde or something like that, this might be the recipe for you. So you want to do arrowroot powder. I did 1/4 of a cup of arrowroot powder, a little bit under 1/4 of a cup because I used the rest of the arrowroot powder that I had left. And then I used however many teaspoons of baking soda that y'all gonna see right here. I was obviously.
And then better, do you hear this?
I'm annoyed.
Babe. Oh. Thank you, baby.
I was obviously very excited about my measuring cups that baby bought me. Clearly, and I was obviously annoying him about it. Anyhow, so I'm doing 1/4 of a cup of arrowroot powder. As you can see, it didn't make it to 1/4 of a cup. I didn't put enough in the bag when I measured it out, but I'm just gonna put the rest of the arrowroot powder in there. And then you're gonna see how many scoops of baking soda that I do, because I don't remember. I think I did 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And then instead of doing 5 drops of each essential oil, because I did less powder in this one, I did 3 drops of each essential oil. So I added the baking soda, and then now I'm dropping in essential oil, and then I decided to add a little bit more baking soda to it. This recipe is super duper simple, super duper easy. And And then the way you can do it, you either can take like a makeup brush and take the cap off and dust it, like put the makeup brush in there and dust it on your scalp, or I like to just pour mine right on. That's why I hadn't put holes in the top of the in the lid, so I could just pour mine right on, and I can rub it in with my hands and do it that way. So this was a super easy, super simple recipe. This was day 7 of 30 Days of Magic. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm about to demonstrate it right now just to make sure that he poked enough holes in the top of these. Like this video, comment, subscribe, share, do all of that good stuff. And I will once again see you guys. So you can add some more color to that. I'll see you guys tomorrow.